Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Third-Rate Romance by the amazing Rhythm Aces. Say that 5 times fast. Start off with the chords like usual. First one's pretty easy, an A chord. You're going to play the 5th string open, and then you're going to play the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings all on the 2nd fret. Play with these fingers, play with this, play with these fingers. I usually play it with one finger across. Sometimes I play with the middle finger across. It doesn't matter as long as you've got those 3 strings pressed down on the 2nd fret. Play the low A. It's an A chord. Next chord is an E. First finger goes on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle finger reaches over and plays the 5th string on the 2nd fret. Ring finger kind of crowds in behind it and plays the 4th string on the 2nd fret. Play all 6 strings. After we go back and forth between those a couple of times, then the fun part comes. You play a C sharp chord. You're going to slide your first finger up on the 4th string on the 4th fret. Next, you're going to let your middle finger hang. Your ring finger is going to play those same 3 strings, 4, 3, and 2, but all on the 6th fret. So play the 5, 4, 3, and that's a C sharp chord. We're going to slide down from there. If you play chess, it's a knight's move. We're going to go down 2 and over 1. Now I have to adapt it because this is an F sharp minor. So make sure you get a good strong F sharp. They're on the 2nd fret, 6th string. And your middle finger hangs again. Don't flip the audience off. Put your ring finger on the 5th string, 4th fret, and your pinky on the 4th string, also 4th fret. Play all 6. Last but not least, a D chord. First finger plays the 3rd string, 2nd fret. The middle finger plays the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then the ring finger fits between them on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Play 4 strings. Since I'm playing this on acoustic guitar by myself, I want to throw in a little bass lick that's really easy. You're going to start on the low E string, open, play it once, and then play a little stutter stroke after that, and jump straight up to the open A string because you're fingering an A chord. It goes a lot smoother if you don't move your pick too much. So notice I'm starting off with it right on the 6th string, and then just letting it roll down on the A. I'm not plucking each individual string. For the E chord, you're playing the same rhythm, but you're not playing around with the bass notes. Notice you keep the steady beat going the whole time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Usually I'm palm muting it in between with my right hand. That time I was using my left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. When we get to the chorus, we're going to do what I think of as sort of a beat shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so we're going 1 and then palm muting and doing a light scratch, making sure you mute the strings. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, remember, I mean, if you just want to play a steady beat all the way through that, it sounds just fine. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the chord chart, a play-along video, another lesson video about how to play some of the licks in this song, as well as links to other songs you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray area that's for your questions. Please feel free to ask any questions you might have. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Third-Rate Romance by the amazing Rhythm Aces. Thank you for watching.